M-AJIRA is a brand that is a digital platform where candidates are able to get into the platform and sign up for jobs that are available. So we have bridged the gap between the recruiters who are outside this country and the candidates who need jobs in the country. Once we deploy our candidates to these countries, like in the GCC, we have country managers in the various countries. We have offices where they are comfortable to turn to in case any need or assistance is needed. We have people who look into contracts with the recruiters just to ensure safety of the people that we deploy.